What is up, you guys? My name is Janibel, or Janibel if you're Dominican, and it's been a while. It's been a while. A lot is going on in the world, so I took a step back just to get a sense of what's going on. But I dug into my collection and picked out a few different products from Black-owned businesses to create this wash and go. As you guys can tell, it's a successful one. In case you don't follow me on Instagram, which you totally should, I put together a list of Black-owned businesses that you can support from different categories. So I got beauty brands, I got skincare brands, I got hair brands, I got some miscellaneous home brands and lifestyle, like all that stuff. So I encourage you guys to check that out and shop Black, all right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from this carita linda. And yeah, let's get on with it. So we're starting on freshly deep conditioned hair. I used the deep conditioner that I thought was Black owned. It is not, so I won't be mentioning it in today's video. But all of our styling products today are from Black owned businesses, so I triple checked that too, you know, just in case. Popping in to let you know that I ain't shit, and I didn't know that Carol's Daughter was under L'Oreal now, so it's no longer Black owned, but I'll make sure to add a few alternatives in the description box. Let's get this started. Yeah, I definitely have to spray a little water. The first product I'm going to use is the Jane Carter Solution Incredible Curls Cream. I might have used this once. I don't remember. I mean, there was a hair in here that was mine, so I guess I've used it at some point. But yeah, I decided to dig into the collection and see what products I already owned that were Black owned. Totally forgot I had this, but I'm excited to use it. It's like, I'm gonna let it do its thing today. I've actually done wash and goes with Black owned brands before. I did one using Briogeo products, and my most recent one was the Mielle Organics. So I'll link those two videos down below if you guys want to see those too. They have great products. One of my favorite gels actually for my edges is from this is actually from this brand too. Let me go get it, I'll show you. I totally forgot about this one. This is the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Elongating Gel. Just figured I'd throw a little honorable mention in there. I love that gel. It's a little too heavy for the rest of my hair. Like, I think it makes my hair way too hard, but to gel your edges down, it's great. I don't know if I should add a gel on top of this. This kind of has hold. You know what? Yeah, for the sake of the video, let's throw in another gel. This is the Carol's Daughter Prakashi Nectar Style Control Gel. I haven't used this gel in what feels like forever. It does have a strong hold from what I remember, so I won't use too much. I feel like today's wash and go is gonna be really defined. I'm not mad at it, you know? I usually don't go for super defined wash and goes just because I feel like I say this every curly hair video or every styling video that I'm more of a volume kind of girl. So I don't typically make defined curls like my priority when I style my hair. I think that's what we're gonna get today. I think, yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. The hair at the top of my head is always the first to dry. It's kind of annoying. I do have low porosity hair, so it can take a while for my hair to actually get soaking wet or absorb any moisture. I'm just gonna repeat the same order. Gotta love that arm workout. I'm gonna finish this off with the Afro Sheen 3-in-1 Nourishing Oil. Just gonna take a little bit, apply towards the ends of my hair. Now that I'm done applying products, I'm gonna go diffuse my hair really quick because ain't nobody got time to air dry today, and we'll see what our results are. And we're back. All right. I actually haven't picked my hair out, and it's not as small as I thought it was gonna be, you know, because day one hair is always a little smaller than the other days. I'm actually quite happy. I'm not mad at these results, you guys, because I did combine a styling cream with a gel, so it is a little harder than what I'm used to, but it's still flexible. Like, it's still a flexible hold, which is nice. I might as well pick my hair on camera since we're here. My favorite prettiest pick ever is from a Black-owned brand called Eternally in Amber. Like, do you see this? It's so cute. So I recently ordered another one in a different color. I'll make sure to link the pic too, because I think everyone needs at least one of these pics. They're so pretty. Alright, so it's definitely been a couple hours. I went to the supermarket. Yeah, that's the highlight of my day. I even had to take my gloss off because what I look like putting on some gloss to just put a mask on over it, like, that's happened to me at least 3 times. These are the results after I picked it out. Let's just add a little more volume there. I will say that my hair doesn't feel as soft as it usually does when I use a leave-in conditioner in the styling routine. That just has to do with like the combination of products. If I would have skipped out on the gel while using that Jane Carter product, it would have been completely different. Regardless, I am happy with the results. I feel like my curls look very healthy and boingy, like the shrinkage is here. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check the description box for links on the products that I used. I'm also including a few links related to the Black Lives Matter movement that you can check out, that you can donate and sign the petitions so we can work towards a better future, because all lives don't matter until Black lives do. This definitely won't be the only video I do using products from Black-owned businesses, so leave your favorites down below in the comments. If you have any that I should try out, any that should get my coin, like, let me know. But with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for weekly uploads, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.